We gave the plugins and theme sections a new look and feel. Before you had the horizontal view and it wasn't very pretty. Now you have this nice vertical view, which also shows you the plugin icon or theme icon, and you can just click on them to see what sites have the plugin or theme installed. The theme section has the same design changes as the plugins. Next, if we go to the sites page, you'll notice our grid view update. This will be the default view for new users and also provides a more modern layout than the standard list view. However, list view provides more information on the screen, so it's completely up to you which you choose to use. And you can even easily toggle back and forth between them. And before you go, if you like this video, be sure to like it. And if you want to be notified when we release new videos, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.